Hey there, cyclists. Ensuring the security of your bicycle is crucial, especially when parking in public spaces. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best bicycle U-shaped locks and examining their pros and cons to help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Xunting Bicycle U-shaped lock. Xunting Bicycle U-shaped lock pros and cons. Ensuring the security of your bicycle is paramount, especially when parking in public spaces. The Xunting Bicycle U-shaped lock offers a blend of convenience, durability, and security features designed to protect your bike from theft. Let's delve into the pros and cons of this lock to help you decide if it meets your needs. Pros: all-weather protection. The Xunting U-shaped lock features a full soft-coated silicone cover that provides robust all-weather protection. This coating resists corrosion caused by water, dust, and dirt, prolonging the lock's lifespan and maintaining its functionality in varying weather conditions. Additionally, the silicone cover reduces the likelihood of scratches on your bike frame, ensuring both protection and aesthetics. Comfortable handling. The silicone cover not only enhances durability but also improves comfort. Whether in hot summer or icy winter conditions, the soft coating makes it comfortable to touch and handle the lock, ensuring a pleasant user experience. Dual key convenience. Included with the lock are 2 keys offering added convenience. You can keep one key for daily use and securely store the spare at home. This dual key system reduces the risk of being stranded in case one key is misplaced or lost, providing peace of mind for cyclists. High security. The U-shaped design of the lock provides robust security against theft attempts. This shape is known for its resistance to cutting and leverage attacks, making it a reliable choice for securing your bicycle in high-risk areas. Durable construction. Constructed from sturdy materials, the Xunting lock is designed for durability and long-term use. It withstands external forces and tampering attempts, ensuring that your bike remains safely locked wherever you park it. Easy to use. With its straightforward design, the Xunting U-shaped lock is easy to operate. Securing your bike takes minimal effort, allowing for quick locking and unlocking when needed. Cons. Weight. While the sturdy construction is advantageous for security, it may contribute to a slightly heavier lock compared to lighter alternatives. Cyclists seeking ultra-lightweight options for portability might find this lock a bit heavier. The Xunting Bicycle U-shaped lock stands out for its all-weather protection, dual key convenience, and robust security features. It provides cyclists with peace of mind knowing their bike is securely locked, even in challenging weather conditions. However, potential users should consider factors like weight, size compatibility, and color options based on their specific needs and preferences when choosing a bike lock. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tosuod Bicycle U-shaped lock. Tosuod Bicycle U-shaped lock pros and cons. When it comes to securing your bicycle, a sturdy U-shaped lock can provide the peace of mind you need. The Tosuod Bicycle U-shaped lock combines alloy steel durability with silicone protection, offering a robust solution to keep your bike safe. Let's explore the pros and cons to help you decide if this lock meets your requirements. Pros: durable alloy steel construction. The Tosuod U-shaped lock is crafted from alloy steel, known for its strength and durability. This material choice ensures the lock can withstand attempts at cutting, sawing, or other forms of tampering, providing reliable security for your bicycle. Silicone coating for protection. Featuring a silicone coating, this lock offers protection against scratches and corrosion. The silicone layer not only safeguards your bike's frame, but also enhances grip and comfort during handling, making it suitable for all-weather use. Comprehensive product specification. The lock comes with a fixed support, adding versatility to how you secure your bicycle. The product dimensions of approximately 20 x 12.5 centimeters and a net weight of around 750 g ensure a balance between robust security and manageable weight for daily use. High security features. U-shaped locks are renowned for their high security capabilities. The design provides resistance against leverage attacks and offers a secure anchor point when locking your bike to various objects such as bike racks or poles. Ease of use. With its straightforward design, the Tosuod U-shaped lock is easy to operate. Securing your bike requires minimal effort, ensuring quick locking and unlocking whenever needed. The fixed support enhances stability when locking the bike, further adding to user convenience. Versatile application. Suitable for various types of bicycles, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and city bikes, the Tosuod lock adapts to different cycling needs. Its compatibility with different bike frames and components makes it a versatile choice for cyclists. Cons. Size consideration. The dimensions of 20x 12.5 centimeters, while providing ample space for securing the bike, may not be suitable for all bike frames or tight storage spaces. Cyclists should ensure compatibility with their bike's dimensions and storage requirements before purchasing. The Tosuod bicycle U-shaped lock offers robust security with its alloy steel construction and silicone coating, ensuring durability and protection for your bicycle. While it provides excellent security features and ease of use, potential users should consider factors like weight, size compatibility, and color options based on their specific needs when choosing a bike lock. At number 3, the Rockbros RKS626 Bicycle U-shaped lock. Rockbros RKS626 Bicycle U-shaped lock. Pros and cons. Choosing the right lock for your bicycle is crucial for ensuring its security, and the Rockbros RKS626 U-shaped lock promises to deliver robust protection. This lock combines sturdy materials with practical features to safeguard your bike from theft. Let's explore the pros and cons to help you determine if this lock meets your needs. Pros. Thickened lock body. The Rockbros RKS626 features a thickened lock body, enhancing its resistance against cutting, sawing, and prying attacks. This makes it a reliable choice for securing your bicycle in various environments. Double opening anti-theft mechanism. Equipped with a double opening anti-theft mechanism, this lock provides added security against picking and manipulation attempts. It ensures that unauthorized access to your bike is significantly deterred, offering peace of mind. Silicone protection. The lock is encased in a silicone jacket, providing protection against scratches and corrosion. The silicone layer not only safeguards your bike's frame but also enhances grip and comfort during handling, making it suitable for all weather use. Waterproof and rust-proof. Constructed from high-strength alloy steel and featuring a zinc alloy lock core, the RKS626 is designed to withstand exposure to elements. It is waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring durability and longevity even in challenging weather conditions. Shear resistance. With its robust construction and materials, the Rockbros RKS626 lock offers excellent shear resistance. This feature prevents attempts to cut through the lock with tools such as bolt cutters, enhancing its overall security performance. High-strength alloy steel. The lock body and shackle are made from high-strength alloy steel, known for its durability and resilience. This material choice ensures that the lock can withstand forced entry attempts, providing reliable protection for your bike. Cons. Limited color options. Depending on personal preferences or bike aesthetics, the RKS626 may have limited color choices available. More color options could enhance its appeal to cyclists looking to match it with their bike's color scheme. The Rockbros RKS626 Bicycle U-shaped lock offers sturdy construction, advanced security features, and durable materials to protect your bicycle from theft. While it excels in providing robust security, potential users should consider factors like weight, size compatibility, and color options based on their specific needs when choosing a bike lock. In the second spot, we have the Rockbros Bicycle U-shaped lock. Rockbros Bicycle U-shaped lock. Pros and cons. Ensuring the security of your bicycle is essential, especially in urban environments where theft is a concern. The Rockbros Bicycle U-shaped lock offers advanced features designed to provide reliable protection and convenience. Below, we explore the pros and cons to help you decide if this smart lock meets your needs. Pros. Smart fingerprint lock. The Rockbros U-shaped lock features a smart fingerprint lock system, allowing you to unlock your bike with your fingerprint. This technology provides quick and convenient access without the need for keys or codes. Bluetooth unlock. For added convenience, the lock supports Bluetooth connectivity to unlock via a smartphone app. This feature enables seamless unlocking and management of the lock settings directly from your mobile device. Query unlock record for easier management. The lock records unlock activities, which can be queried through the app. This feature enhances security by allowing you to monitor who accessed your bike and when, providing peace of mind and easier management of usage history. Authorized use and family sharing. You can authorize multiple users, such as family members or trusted friends, to access the lock. This family sharing feature ensures convenient and secure bike sharing among authorized users while maintaining security. Multiple unlocking methods. In addition to fingerprint and Bluetooth unlock, the Rockbros lock offers versatility with multiple unlocking methods. This includes backup options like key access, providing flexibility in various situations. Quenching heat treatment. The lock undergoes quenching heat treatment, enhancing its durability and resistance against cutting and sawing attempts. This treatment process strengthens the lock's structure, making it robust and secure. U-shaped double lock beam. Featuring a U-shaped double lock beam, the Rockbros lock provides a high level of security against prying and leverage attacks. The design effectively secures your bike to fixed objects, deterring theft. Life waterproof. Designed to withstand the elements, the lock is life waterproof, ensuring reliable performance in rainy conditions without compromising functionality. This feature enhances its durability and usability in all weather conditions. Cons. Dependence on technology. As a smart lock, the Rockbros U-shaped lock relies on technology such as fingerprint recognition and Bluetooth connectivity. Users may face challenges if the lock's electronic components malfunction or if they encounter connectivity issues with the app. The Rockbros Bicycle U-shaped lock offers advanced security features with smart fingerprint and Bluetooth unlocking, along with versatile management options through an app. While it provides robust protection and convenience, potential users should consider factors like technology reliability, setup complexity, and battery management when choosing a bike lock. And finally, at number 1, we have the West Biking Bicycle U-shaped lock. West Biking Bicycle U-shaped lock pros and cons. Choosing a reliable U-shaped lock is crucial for safeguarding your bicycle against theft. The West Biking Bicycle U-shaped lock offers several features designed to enhance security and ease of use. Let's delve into the pros and cons to help you determine if this lock meets your needs. Pros. Zinc alloy lock core. The lock core of the West Biking U-shaped lock is made from zinc alloy, known for its robustness and resistance to cutting and sawing. This material choice enhances the overall durability and security of the lock. Closed dust cover. Equipped with a closed dust cover, the lock automatically seals when the key is removed. This feature helps to protect the lock core from dust, debris, and moisture, thereby extending its lifespan and reliability. Copper key with serpentine groove toothprint. The lock comes with a copper key featuring a serpentine groove toothprint. This design reduces the likelihood of unauthorized key duplication, enhancing the lock's security and safeguarding against key copying attempts. Thickened PVC protective layer. A notable feature of the West Biking lock is its 2 mm thickened PVC protective layer. This layer serves as a cushion against impacts and scratches, protecting both the lock and your bike's frame from potential damage during locking and unlocking. Unlocking. Unilateral unlocking for easy operation. The lock employs a unilateral unlocking mechanism, which simplifies the operation for users. With this feature, unlocking the bike becomes straightforward and convenient, allowing for quick access without unnecessary complexity. Cons. Issue. Bulkier design. Due to its robust construction and protective features, the West Biking U-shaped lock may be slightly bulkier and heavier compared to simpler bike locks. This could potentially add weight to your bike when mounted. The West Biking Bicycle U-shaped lock offers robust security features such as a zinc alloy core, dust cover, and thickened PVC protective layer, making it a reliable choice for securing your bike. While it provides enhanced security and ease of use, potential users should consider factors like its bulkier design and key dependency when evaluating their bike lock needs.